Hello there and welcome to FIVO BI Services. In this video, I want to show you how to publish a Microsoft Excel document in the cloud, like how to publish it without having to go through OneDrive or any stressful means like that. Just a very straightforward way to publish your Microsoft Excel works online. Before you venture into this process, you have to have a Microsoft account which can be easily created. So in the description below, a link to an article on how to create a Microsoft account will be provided, but it's a very straightforward process. You can use your Gmail account to create it, or you can just use your phone number or any. It's very straightforward and very quick process. Let's get straight into it. This is the document I want to publish online. It's a process, data analysis process, where I got the data set. I did some quick analysis or summarizations with my pivot table, with Excel's pivot table feature. Then I combined everything. I combined and harmonized everything into a dashboard that you can see here. That's interactive. To see the list and see. Okay, I just selected 1 year. Let me select 2 years. 3 years trend, the 3-year trend. Let me add an extra state, an extra region, basically, so I can see for one net type or the second net type. So yeah, just the dashboard I want to publish, probably can be for different reasons. So my client or my potential employer, whatever. So now I want to exit. What you should do next is to search for Microsoft Excel online in your browser. So Microsoft Excel online, see here. You search for that and you click on the first thing that comes up. That's excel.cloud.microsoft.com probably. Yeah. Okay. Then here you have to log into your Microsoft account. Personal account will do. A personal account will do. That's advisable. So I have a Microsoft account with this email address, and essentially you want to upload the file. So I'm going to click on upload a file. Then I'm just going to select the file I want to upload. From here, I'm going to just simply go to share. So see, I can use different means. Now look, the means I want to show you guys is so I can come to my file menu, from my menu bar, share, and be like share with people. Share with people, and I come here. It's not me making it to be like anyone with a link can. Anyone. Yes, it should be like anyone with a link and can access it without requiring a sign in. So you can edit, can view. Yes, apply. I can copy link. That's fine. Right, I can open a completely different browser and paste that link. So it's not logged into my Microsoft account in this browser. I'm logged into any Microsoft account in this browser. As you can see here, I'm not logged. It's asking me to sign in, but I can access the dashboard here. So, and also the other sheets. So that's just a quick and easy way to share your Microsoft Excel files online without the hassle of using OneDrive or anything, just by having a Microsoft personal account. That's very easy to get, as easy as getting a Gmail account. Thank you for your time. If the video helped you out, please like and subscribe. Comment your thoughts. What do you think we could do better, and what you liked, what you want to see in the future.